Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. All right. Sorry for no webcast yesterday. I was flying back in the office today. It was a great trip down. Lots of volatility while I was gone, which is good. Always good. Let's look at the daily chart. So yesterday, bears put in a little bit of a day. They put in a low down at 32.5. They tested weekly pivot, but that's really all they did. They came down, they tested weekly pivot into the 33 area, and then they bounced them. So we're trading 59 right now, going on 60. We ended up, I gave everybody a short yesterday before I got on the plane against 60, which was a nice move down. And when I landed, I gave everybody a long, against that weekly pivot area. So it's a situation where the bears can have fleets of decent looking down moves, but until they can maintain something like the 9-day, like weekly pivot, whatever, a combination of those two. It's like I've said for the last, couple of years, I've always told you guys, if the bears can convert two key areas on a chart on a closing basis and then keep those areas converted as resistance for an entire following Globex session, the whole time, not just part of the time, but the whole time. Not where we're sitting around making excuses for what they did, but where we say, okay, well, they converted that and they knocked that out and they pushed it down. Until that happens, all these moves down are just dips to buy. And they will continue to run them back to the upside and continue to make new all-time highs and rinse and repeat and do it again and again and again because the bears don't do anything about it. And price doesn't care. Price doesn't care. Hourly chart, you can see it here. Get that out of the way. There's your weekly pivot test. So it was great. Nice little move down there. And then holds it. And off we go. So they make a higher low. Globex last night. Print 38 halves. Just enough to knock me out of my 40 long. We tried a short to see if they wanted to push it down. They didn't want to do anything with it. We ended up long in the mid 40s to 50 as I had to get back in. The hourly mid band is coming in at 50. You got the 9-day here, just above that. Call it 51. So this 50 to 51, you got the daily pivot there as well. So 50 to 51 is going to be a big deal. It's going to be a very big deal. And unless the bears can do that, you're not going to see a move down to 35. You're going to see a move up to 70 that's going to get through. And if they decide to elect Friday Happy Fun Time, well, then you got to deal with something like 84 half. Now, the other thing is, it's been a pretty volatile week. I would not be stunned, shocked, or amazed on a summer Friday if the whole thing just took a nap. You have to be prepared for that too. You always have to be prepared in the summer months for Fridays to get very boring very quickly. And if they do get very boring very quickly, it is not your job as a trader to make it personally exciting for yourself. What do I mean by that? That means the market's not doing anything, but you want to trade today because price really cares about that. And you're going to sit there and I'm going to long short. I'm going to do all kinds of stuff because I came in today. I wanted to trade today. And what you end up doing usually is chewing yourself up with a bunch of paper cuts, burning a bunch of commission, and either ending up, best case, barely green, worst case, red and all upset going into the weekend. Don't do that. Let's see how it opens up. Let's see how it trades. But if it doesn't want to do anything, if price doesn't want to do anything, why do you want to do anything? I'll say that again. If price doesn't want to do anything, why do you want to do anything? And you always, during the summer, have to be prepared for that. July has been a great trading month. Fantastic month. Totally entitled for it to take a day off. Will it? I don't know. Price will tell us. All right. Just quick numbers. Daily pivot 50 quarter. Hourly mid 50. VWAP 52 half. Proprietary moving average is 57. And 57.75 is your 5-minute mid band. So again, this is your key area, 50 to 52. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic weekend. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Trade them well. Come get in this room. Come learn how to do this stuff. Come trade with us. You're going to like what you see. I will talk to everybody on Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.